Forget dry, boring sponge cakes. Today we are making the ultimate fresh peach cake. We are folding juicy peaches directly into a rich, tangy Greek yogurt batter, layering more on top and creating a crispy style crust. For this recipe, precision is key. First, let's whisk our dry ingredients in a medium bowl. All you need is 180 grams of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Give that a quick whisk and set it aside. Now, into your main mixing bowl, add 170 grams of softened unsalted butter and 200 grams of granulated sugar. We are going to cream these together for a solid 3 to 4 minutes. Don't rush this step. Creaming traps tiny air pockets in the batter, which gives our cake its structure. Next, drop in 2 large eggs, one at a time, letting each fully incorporate. If you feel that the batter is looking a bit curdled, do not panic. Simply add in 1 tablespoon of flour and it should be fine. Then pour in a generous 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract and half a cup of full-fat Greek yogurt. The Greek yogurt is our secret weapon here. Its acidity breaks down the gluten in the flour, making the cake incredibly tender and keeping it moist for days. Now gently add the flour mixture. Mix until just the flour disappears. Now for the best part, the peaches. Take about 2 medium chopped peaches and gently fold them right into the batter. This ensures you get an explosion of jammy peach flavor in every single bite. Spread the batter into your pan. Top with elegant peach slices, and for that legendary crunch we talked about at the beginning, generously sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sugar right over the peaches on top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. While that bakes, let's talk about the science keeping this cake from turning into a dense brick. Our batter is heavy with real fruit and thick Greek yogurt. To lift all that weight, we rely on double-acting baking powder. It works in 2 distinct chemical stages. The first lift. The moment it touches the wet ingredients, a base and an acid inside the powder react to create millions of tiny carbon dioxide gas bubbles. And the second lift, when the cake hits the hot oven, the heat triggers a second reaction, causing those bubbles to expand rapidly. As the heat sets the flour around those expanding bubbles, the cake rises into a light, airy crumb. Despite all those heavy, juicy peaches, it's pure chemistry. While our chemistry project finishes in the oven, remember that peaches actually originated in ancient China over 8,000 years ago as symbols of immortality before traveling the Silk Route to Rome, where they were called Persian apples. Look at that, perfectly risen, loaded with peaches inside and out, and topped with the glistening sugar crust. The tang from the yogurt balances the sweet peaches perfectly and the texture is incredibly soft. The full recipe with exact metric measurements are in the description box below. Hit that like button if you learned something new today. Subscribe for more food science and delicious recipes, and I'll see you next week.